Hello, hi everyone. My name is Zedaraton, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for getting back to my channel. And today we are reviewing the Need for Speed Most Wanted. Once it opens like this, you click enter. Okay, you can create a new file. You can add a name. You can play the old one that has been there for too long. You can save a file where next time when you come back you log in through it. So I'm gonna log in. Mine is this one Roto, but let me enter via this one of Shandy, and then you press enter to continue. There we go. We've got career, challenge series, we've got quick race, we've got my cars. If you've got cars, you can enter and choose the cars. Unfortunately, I don't have a car, but you can also add a new car if you've got a new one. Local area network play, that means you are playing through LAN. When you connect a LAN cable to a device, either a laptop or a PC, you can play online as well. You can play that one is nothing option. This one now with the career, you enter the career, you resume the career, you start a new career. Let's say resume the career. You can free roam, just moving around with the car, playing around, or enter the blacklist. Start from blacklist 15, going back to blacklist 1. Milestone events, the bounties and everything. Go back by S. Car selection, if you see there are cars. Okay, the impounded. So there are only 2 cars here. The rest are impounded. Okay. Resume free roam. It's just roam without any distraction or any police or any right. So this is it. So let's quickly jump to those things that I feel is fun. Or else you can drive them. You can drive where you are. Controlling, the computer, what do you call it? You can use computer arrows on left, right, or right. Step in, you press enter. Yeah, that's how it is with the Need for Speed games and challenges. All the blacklists on how to pass. If you have any challenge, I will do the video where I'm challenging the blacklist rival to pass to another blacklist. If I enter on mine, I think I'm on blacklist 6, working towards blacklist 1. So I will keep you updated. God bless you. My name is Zedaraton, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.